All right, today we are opening Angel's Envy Cask Strength, bottled by yours truly. That's me. Notice the nice little wings there? Only way you get those wings is cask strength, bottle your own.
Or if you whack somebody.
Or if you whack somebody, yeah. So this is 115 proof. Only way you get it this way is if you bottle your own. Normal Angel's Envy Cask Strength is about 110 proof. Cracking this with you fine people.
Is that your picture on that?
It is.
Looks like a, see that? As Steve would say, a hard-boiled egg with 2 toothpicks.
Hey, these legs run faster than yours do.
I don't know about that anymore.
All right, let's test this out here. Little testers. It's 115 proof. I don't want you falling over yet. Slide that right over there.
And have it.
This is to this guy right here. Right there.
You pee in it. Don't get it too close.
Only with you fine people.
Might stir it.
Cheers. See what we think here.
Ooh.
See, Steve did the same thing with the white dog. He just drinks it like it's a shot.
Wow.
Man.
That is 115 proof for sure. That's pretty fine tasting
Why don't you
stuff.
swish that around
smooth.
first? Why don't you clean your palate like you normally do?
I did.
Put that in there and swish that thing
I
around.
did that when you weren't looking.
Oh, dear God.
What do you think?
Wow.
Is it worth it?
I don't know. I might need a little more just to
I like
figure it out.
I don't know what took you guys so long to drink it.
We were enjoying ours.
I'm kidding.
Wow.
All right.
15.
It's worth doing. Bottle your own experience at Angel's Envy
In
in Louisville, right downtown.
Holy cow, I need a chaser.
and
Something
how
better.
much was that experience?
Oh my God.
150.
Heartburn.
A regular bottle of cask strength is about $97, and it's 110 proof, not
I'm
115.
gonna put that on your choker.
Yeah, whatever. We'll just leave it right there. All right. Thanks for watching. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks, guys.
Peace out. Thanks to Sam.
You're sweating.
Like always.
God.